In today's video, I'll show you how to create a soft and romantic opening where heart-shaped elements gently fall onto the screen and reveal your video in a warm and emotional way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the falling motion feels natural. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Love Pills, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, heart-shaped elements fall smoothly across the screen, revealing the video underneath with a gentle and romantic feel. Use the duration slider to control how fast the hearts fall. Longer duration makes the motion slower and more emotional. Shorter duration makes the reveal quicker and lighter. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so it matches the mood of your music or message. And that's it. You've successfully added a falling hearts reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.